What is management? Management is essential of an organization's life and necessary to run all type of management. Good management is the backbone of successful organization. Managing life means getting things done to achieve life objective, and managing an organization means getting things done with and for other people to achieve its objective. What the management is an art or science will continue to be a subject of debate. However, most management thinkers agree that some form of formal academics management background help in managing successfully. Practically all years a university graduate and the reason of including business degree program is all academic institution. Management is a set of principles relating to the funding of planning, organizing, the writing and controlling, and the application of these principles in harnessing physical, financial, human, and international resources efficiently and essentially to achieve organization goals. Definition of management mean management thinkers have defined management in their own ways. Of example, Van Phil and Ferguson define management as a set of activities directed at the efficient and effective utilization of resources in the pursuit of one or more goals. Nagensen, Moseley, and Petrie define management as working with human, financial, and physical resources to achieve organizational effective BV, the forming, the planning, organization, leading, and controlling function. Kraigener's definition of management is a problem-solving process of effectively achieving organizational objectives through the efficient use of scarce resources in a changing environment. According of F.W. Taylor, management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that is done in the best and cheapest way. According to Harold Cons, management is an art of getting things and through and with the people in formally organized group. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform an individual and can contribute toward attainment of group goals. Leader has certain inherent qualities and traits with essence. Him in planning, aid, writing, roast, and wielding commanding influence with others in the shape is an integral part of management influence, a vital role in management operation, while management is an integral component of technical as well as social processes. The practice of management is as old as him civilization. However, the study of management in a systematic and scientific way as a distinct body of knowledge is only of Olson origin. Management is some form of NIFA is an integral part of living and is essential wherever human efforts are to be undertaken to achieve the safe objective. The Bell's ingredient of management as was at play water we managed while live our business. Live as look at the managerial role of a simple housewife and how she used the managerial in managing the home for as is averages has household and it needs is focus the needs of the household of a period of a week of a month or longer. Take stock of has resources and any criterion of these resources is fund and organizes resources to obtain the maximum benefits out of these resources. Simonetes and Gontaus the how the budgets and expenses and other activities in a large household is defined to work among other members and coordinate their activities. This is included and motivates them to do their best in completing their activities is who was in set of implementation Manson goals resources in mean to achieving these goals. The ingredient generally are the basic function of management. Management can be detailed in detail in the following categories: management as a process, management as an activity, management as a discipline, management as a group, management as a science, management as a art, management as a profession. The concept of management is as old as the human race itself. The concept of family itself required that life be organized and resources of both are focused in a manner so as to maximize the utility of such resources. Thinking profit to safeguard the family from attack by wild animal, planning on what to go to fishing and hunting, and whom to go with, organizing this group into chief and halting and forcing but a chief get the ration and so on are all essential ingredients of management in organization. Study of various people around the world show good example of organizational structures and organizational evolution over the years. A place often market in a traffic and a large department store in a modern city show the same hit in a similar fashion, with its certain thing together that people need. The trouble organizational just simple in Naita, the modern organizational is much more sophisticated and complex with many to technological innovation. However, the basic form of management and organizational structure seem to have extended since the beginning to organize human activity. Even the recorded history shows the application of some current management technique of far back as 5000 BC, when the ancient Sumerian used written jargon in assisting governmental operation. The Egyptian pyramid brought as 3000 BC required the organized effects of over 1 workers. It would be natural to aim that a function of modern management, namely planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, plays a significant role in the construction of this monument. Similarly, the civilization of India bears witness to organized living. As a system is not only an essential element of an integral part of life when we to about managing wafa life. Managing life is not much different from managing an organizational session, and this of management has been with us from time immemorial, just as a well-managed life is much better organized growth and successful. Good management of an organization mark the define battery the success and the failure of the organization. The importance of management was highlighted by the late President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, when he said that the role of management in our society is critical in human progress. It's up to identify a great in need of time to enforce standard of being to on people towards the effective utilization of human and material sources. Similarly, fantastic drivers, a not day management of variety nas especially the importance of management to social living. He prophetically needed to maintain years ago that effective management was becoming the main resource of the Philip nation, and that it was the most needed resource to the Philip nation. A manager's job is nonetheless precious to the success of any organization. The more complex the organization, the more crucial is to the managers around in it. A good manager makes things happen. The importance of management in any organization was emphasized by Professor Leonard R. Sayers in his address to a group of management development specialists as follows: we must find way of convention society as a whole, and those who train managers in particular, that the real Indonesian problem of wah institutionta gateng tanges dan the implementation the opabeng the action is about we as a society hyphen loan to give mass credit to managers. I had we can move towards recognizing that managerial and leadership jobs as among the most critical tasks of our society, as such tell the staff the professional status that we give to more traditional field of knowledge. Basically type primary function of management are 1. Planning, 2. Organizing, 3. Serving, 4. Writing, 5. Controlling. The controlling function comprises calculation, reporting, and budgeting, and the controlling function can be broken into these three separate functions. Based upon these seven functions, Lusegelex coined the word we already see Rabi, which generally represent the initial of this region function a vision of planning, or for organizing to siphon fee for the writing, cow to condemnation, are for reporting, be writing, but planning, organizing, serving, writing, and controlling are widely recognized function of management. 1. Planning. Planning is feature-first and designer an organization direction. It is a rational and systematic way of making decisions today that will affect the future of the company. It is a kind of organized passionate as well as corrective himself in involves the tank of the future, as well as inflamed to control the event. It involves the ability to perceive the effect of current action in the long run in the future. Raka has defined planning as follows. Planning is the continuous process of making present entrepreneurially decisions systematically and with best possible knowledge of their beauty, organizing systematically the effect needed to carry out this decision and measuring the results of this decision agent the expectation through organized and systematic FIBA. An effective planning program includes the effect of both external as well as internal factors. The external factors are shortages of resources, both capital and material, general economic trend as far as interest rate and inflation as a concern, dynamics, technological advancement, includes governmental regulation regarding commercial interest, unstable international political environment, etc. Internal factors that affect planning are limited growth of activity due to saturation, required diversification, changing pattern of the workforce, complex organizational structures, decentralization, etc. To organizing requires a robust structure of operating and the drafting and force of such operating tools with works subjections are defined, range, and cost needed so that is fat reject to the OTA fat in a united and Korean manner so as to attain the prescribed objective. According to Harry Fayol, to organize as business is to profit in well everything you see all its functioning iron material to capital and values. Last, the function of organizing involves the determination of activity that need to be in order to reach the company goals, assigning this activity to the profit functional and the line getting the necessary authority to carry out these activities in a coordinated and cohesive manner of force therefore that the function of organizing is concerned with. One, identifying the tasks that must be performed and grouping them whenever necessary. Two, assigning these tasks to the personnel while defining their poverty, and responsibility. 3. Delegating tasks, authorizing to teach evaluation. 5. Establishing a relationship between authority and responsibility. Coordinating these activities. 3. Staffing. Staffing is the function of hiring and retaining a suitable workforce to the interface both at managerial as well as non-managerial levels. It involves the process of recruiting, training, defining, compensating, and evaluating inflows and maintaining test workforce with forward incentive and motivation, since the human element is the most vital factor in the process of management. It is important to recruit the right personnel. According to Kohn and O'Daniel, managerial function of staffing involves managing the organizational structure through the proper and effective selection of judges and development of personnel to fill the roles designed in the structure. This function is even more critically important people develop in their intelligence, knowledge, skill, experience, physical condition, age, and attitude, and test configures the function. Hence, management must enlighten in addition to the technical and operational competence, the sociological and psychological structure of the workforce. The writing function in concept with leadership, communication, motivation, and anticipation perform their activities in the more efficient manner possible in order to achieve the goals. The leadership element involves estimating intention and guiding the subordinate about persuasion and method. The communication must be open both ways so that the information can be passed on to the subordinate and the feedback received from them. Motivation is very important since highly motivated people show excellent performance with less direction from superiors. Supervising subordinates would lead to continuous progress report as well as the superiors that the direction are being properly carried out. By controlling the passing of contour concept of true activity that are indication to ensure that the event do not deviate from the revenue plan. The activities concept of establishing standard for works performance, measuring performance, and comparing it to this set standard and taking corrective action as an user need to correct any deviation. According to Cons and O'Donnell, controlling in the measurement and correction of common activities of subordinate in order of make so that the enterprise objective and plan the set to offend thing as being complex. The controlling function involves establishment of standard performance, measurement of actual performance, measuring actual performance with the development standard, and finding out the deviation, taking corrective action. All these three functions of management are closely interrelated. However, these functions are hardly indistinguishable and visible, uncatable on the job. It is necessary now to put eight functions stably into focus and deal with it. Recent pause eight components of communication process, how to fit in the film being the Yundas invoice forward and 7 C is of communication. What is Uden Hegbock? What is attitude? Fourth function of attitude 10 define between business communication and Jarlean communication to promote international recruitment. Made first the hottest both in business management up to 22 bilateral mistakes called on Senes.